If you want a simple way to manage your email, schedule events, and keep your contacts organized, then this tutorial on the Namecheap Contact and Calendar app is going to help. In this video, I'll show you how to use private email to access both your calendar and address book, how to create events, invite participants, and how to organize your contacts so everything stays easy to find. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to private email and log in using your Namecheap email dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your Namecheap email dashboard. From here, you can quickly switch between your mail tools and your calendar using the top toggle or menu. This is useful because it keeps everything in one place, so you don't need to jump between different apps just to check messages or manage your schedule. Now let's look at the calendar. Click on Calendar, and you'll see your schedule displayed in a way that's easy to navigate. Depending on how you like to plan your day, you can choose Day View, Week View, or Month View. Day View is great if you want to focus on a single day and keep track of meetings hour by hour. Week View is helpful if you want a broader look at your upcoming schedule. And Month View is perfect for seeing deadlines, appointments, and events at a glance. To create a new event, click Create Event. This opens up the event setup window, where you can enter all the important details. Start by typing the event title, so you know exactly what the appointment is for, then add the date and time so the event appears in the correct place on your calendar. You can also add a location if the event is happening somewhere specific, and include a description if you want to leave notes, reminders, or extra information for yourself or your guests. If your event includes other people, you can add participants by entering their email addresses. This is a great way to send invitations directly from the calendar. After that, you can choose whether the event repeats daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Recurring events are especially useful for meetings, classes, birthdays, and regular reminders because you only need to set them up once and they automatically stay on your calendar. Once everything looks correct, click Create Event to send the invitations. Your guests will receive the event details, and your appointment will be saved to your calendar. At this point, you can go back and review your schedule in the view that works best for you, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly planning. Now let's move on to contacts. To manage your saved contacts, open Address Book. This is where you can store names, email addresses, and other important information so you can quickly reach people without typing everything manually each time. Inside Address Book, you can create contact folders to keep your list organized. For example, you might separate work contacts, personal contacts, clients, or team members into different folders. From there, you can add new contacts, edit existing ones, delete old entries you no longer need, or organize everything in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Keeping your contacts structured helps save time and makes it much easier to find the right person when you need them. And that's how to use the Namecheap Contact and Calendar app. You've now learned how to log in, switch between mail and calendar, create events, invite participants, set repeating schedules, and manage your contacts inside Address Book. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tutorials, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.